Hi guys, notice anything different? I cut my hair and donated to Free Wigs for Kids. So that's something I decided to do good during this quarantine. Today we're going to talk about solving equations whenever you're given the value of x. Here's an example. I have y equals x plus 2. I want to know what y is, okay? I'm telling you what x is right here. X could be 0, it could be 1, and it could also be 2. So you're going to have 3 answers, okay? One answer for each of these values of x. So for example, let's say x is 0. So I'm going to put that 0 right here for x. So then that's y equals 0 plus 2, which is just 2. Well, that's 1. Now I have another value for x. Let's try putting 1 in there. So I use this same equation, but this time I'm going to say y equals 1 plus 2. So then that means y is 3. I have one more value I want to try for x. Let's try plugging in a 2 in here. So that's y equals 2 plus 2, which is just 4. So here's how I want you to put your answers on your Google document. If you have a problem that looks like this, your answer should be y equals 2, 3, 4. This is what your answer will look like, okay? Does that make sense? Let me change colors just for the fun of it. And let's do another one. This time, let's step it up a little bit. Let's say my equation is y equals 2x plus 1. Well, that means 2 times x. And once again, I'm going to say x could be 0, it could be 1, or it could be 2. So you're going to solve for y how many times? 3 times. So let's go blue. Oh my gosh, we're just getting crazy today. So let's say I put in 0 for x. So that means y equals 2 times 0 plus 1. 2 times 0 is just 0 plus 1. So y could be 1. Now let's put 1 into my original equation. So that makes it y equals 2 times 1 plus 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1. So y could be 3. One more time. Plug a 2 where this x is. So that makes it y equals 2 times 2 plus 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1. So y could be 5. Oh, I see a pattern. 1, and then plus 2, plus 2. Do you see that? So when you type in your answer on your Google Doc, it will look like this. Y equals 1, 3, and 5. And that's what your answer will look like, okay? So don't forget, I'm giving you 3 values for x. You're going to solve this equation 3 times. For each problem, you will give me 3 answers, okay? All right, and I'll assign these to go the rest of the week so you only have this one video to watch. Miss you guys.